Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a new sheet into your Google Sheet application. But before I do that, I want to say one thing. Please subscribe, comment, and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay, now let's jump into it. Well, as you can see, I'm in the Google Sheets application right now. I'm currently signed in into my freshly created brand new account, which I created only for these videos. As you can see, I'm under the recent page here. If you click on these three lines at the top left corner of your screen to show you on which page you are, I'm currently on the recent page. What you're gonna do here is you can see that little plus icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. It's a little rainbow plus icon. You wanna click on that. You can choose from a template or a brand new spreadsheet. I'm gonna just choose the new spreadsheet. Here you will have to name it and give it a title. I'm gonna say yes. Okay, you can give it your own, of course. And after that, you can just click on create, and it will create you a brand new sheet. Okay, guys, thanks for listening. See you in the next